Hello everyone, I hope that you have a great day today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the list view control to create an app. Maybe something like this. So this is a campus tool app. But then again, you can use it for city tour, city guide, or other purpose as well. And then here is a list, and I've just put 5 items over here. And then when one of the items is clicked, for example, then you can display a web browser and then visit certain websites. So this is the school I work for. Southeastern Oklahoma State University is a very good university. And this is our city, Durant, Oklahoma. Again, once you click on it, the browser will show up, and then it will show you the homepage of the city. But at the same time, I can click third item over here, and then we'll see the picture of our school's student union. Yeah, not bad. It looks pretty good. And also the student life, and then also our school's library. All right. So if this is something you are looking for, hey, stay tuned. Let's get started about how to create an app like this. All right, I will put the emulator aside first. So let me reduce the size and just put it aside here. Let me fire up my Android Studio, and then let me create a new Android Studio project. I will use the empty activity, and then let me call this one Campus, Campus 2. Again, you can be any applications fit your needs. And then let me click Finish. All right, and then the software is creating the required folders, the template files, So it's done, and then as of now, if we switch to the layout view, then you can see that there is really not much to it at all. So let me double click this one. And then it just, let me show you the preview as well. So it's just a text view control over here. And then if I click the Java source code again, there's not much in there at all. But then instead of dragging and dropping a list view control into my main screen over here, this time I would like to use the app itself as the list view. So first things first, so I have to change the base class from this app compact activity to list activity. So you can see that there's a list activity over there, and then once you change that, step number 2, make sure you comment out this line, because the class itself become a list view already. So if you keep this line over there, then the app will crash. It won't work well. All right, and let me increase the screen size, and then now let me switch to the project here, because as you see a moment ago, I display 3 activities with different pictures in there. So I need to put the required images in the drawable folder. There you go. So this is the drawable folder, and here will be the images I will be using. I have prepared them ahead of time, so let me just copy all of them. Then again, you can press the select the first item and press the shift key and then click the last one, then you will select all of them. And then let me just pick copy and then select the drawable, right click the mouse button and pick paste. Paste, there you go. Again, make sure you paste it into the drawable, not the second option over here. Put them in the drawable, and then click OK, and then OK again. There you go. All the images I will be using will be there. All right, and then again, okay, I always encourage myself, my students as well. If there are some descriptions I need to set. For example, let me show to you what I'm talking about over here. Okay. So descriptions like Southeastern University, Durant, Oklahoma, student union, da 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 da. Then it's better that to create the string key or IDs in the strings .xml file. So this is the strings.xml file. Let me double click it. As of now, there's only one key for the application name. So let me put a space in there. So again, increase the font size. Then I'm going to use the editor to add more key. So I'm going to add one more key called text. And student, student union, and then again, I'm not very good as recording and typing. So in a minute, I will just use copy and paste to add more string keys into this file. So let me close the text editor, and then let me just copy two more keys. Feel free to pause the video if you want to if you need to see those key values. So I added the library, added the student union key value pair. All right, so let me close this file. I don't think that I need to use them right now. Okay, so I'm going to switch to the design view. Design view. Okay, and this is the text view. And then I'm going to set the ID. So give me a minute. I believe I call it my item. So let me set the ID my item. There you go. And then I'm going to set the layout. Close to the top. There you go. And then close to the beginning. But then for the text width, I'm going to set it to match the constraint. So it expand all the stretch the width, and then the height, rep content should be fine. So give me a minute. I need to move this one to the very top. All right. And then I also I'm going to use one property called oh yeah, I have to set the text size. Sorry about it. So let me set the text size to 20 SP. And then there you go. And then there is one property. It's called drawable left. So I can use that one to provide an image. So let me select this drawable left. There you go. And this is the image I want to use. Feel free to use any image you like. So you can see that, pretty neat. So actually the text view can allow you to set an image on the left or on the right. Actually, it really doesn't matter. And then again, let me select the control over here. I don't think I need the constraint to the button, so let me delete this one. There you go. Yeah, so now it's better. All right, and then now I'm going to switch to the my source code. Then over here, I will need to set up an array, string array. So let me do that now. So strings, and then names. Names can be product names, can be let's say campus building names or attractions, really up to you. So this will be an array, string array equal to, let me initialize at the same time, and then the first one will be Southeastern University. And then next one will be Durant. Okay, in Durant, Oklahoma. I will just try to keep it short. And also next one will be student. Okay, union. Okay. And then next one will be the student life. Okay, so let me put it to the next line. Yeah, okay. Student life. Okay, student. Student life. Okay. Then next last one will be library. All right, so I have the array set up. Okay, and then now, okay, I'm going to write code to populate those values into the list control. Okay, so since I use this app as the list control, okay, so I can directly call the let me see the set list adapter function. Okay, so let me write it. Okay, set list adapter. There